Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to delete the Instagram post permanently. Okay, let's go to the video. Now I am on my Instagram account. Click on your Instagram profile icon. Now select the post you want to delete. Okay, I'm going to delete this post. You can see three dots on the top right side of the post. Click on that. Then you will get these options. Click on delete. It is asking delete this post, but it says this post will be permanently deleted after 30 days. Let's see how to delete this post permanently right now. Click on delete. Okay, now again back to the profile. Now you can see on the top right side three lines. Click on that. Then click on settings. Then scroll down, click on account, then scroll down. Here you can see recently deleted. Click on that. Here it is showing the post I deleted previously and it says 30 days. That means after 30 days this post will be deleted permanently. Here now I'm going to show you how to delete this post permanently right now. Click on the post. Again you can see three dots on the top right side. Click on three dots. Here it says delete. Here you can see delete. Click on that. Again ask instruction, delete this post. It says if you delete this post you won't be able to restore it. Click on delete. That's it. Now we have deleted this post permanently. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up and please subscribe my channel.